We'll guide you through how to create a Wix portfolio website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Wix.com and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Wix dashboard. Click on the Create New Site button to start the process. You'll be asked to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Portfolio and CV from the list. Wix will offer you two options. You can let the Wix ADI create a site for you or choose a template to customize. For more creative control, I recommend choosing a template. Browse through the available portfolio templates and pick one that suits your style. Click Edit to start customizing. You'll be taken to the Wix editor where you can personalize everything. Begin by clicking on the text elements to change your name, titles, and descriptions. Add your own images by clicking on the image elements and uploading your photos. You can drag and drop elements to rearrange them as you like. To add new sections, use the Add button on the left sidebar. You can include sections like About Me, Projects, or Contact. Each section can be customized with different layouts and styles. Don't forget to add links to your social media profiles by clicking on the social icons and entering your URLs. When you're happy with the design, click on the Preview button at the top right to see how your website looks. If everything is good to go, click Publish to make your site live. Wix will give you a free Wix URL, but you can connect your own domain if you prefer. Congratulations, your portfolio website is now live and ready to impress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.